How to change your country on Ticketmaster. First, launch open a preferred web browser and enter the URL for Ticketmaster, which is www.ticketmaster.com, and press enter. Also make sure to be signed into your Ticketmaster account. From the main homepage after logged in, go and click on the My Account button at the top right. Now, in the option popping up, click on Settings. On the next page, scroll down until you see the Locations tab. Click on the drop down under Country and select your preferred country you'd want to change to. Give it a click and then click on Update Locations. And now you've successfully changed your country or your location on Ticketmaster account. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you've not yet by clicking the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these quick videos like this. Thank you for watching.